Welcome. In this video, we will explain how to figure out if you can file for a divorce in Washington, D.C. Filing for a divorce in D.C. is easy. First, either you or your spouse must be living in D.C. for at least 6 months before you file for divorce. Only one of you must live in D.C. It doesn't matter which spouse lives in D.C., as long as one of you does. And it doesn't matter where you were married, just where you and/or your spouse are living at the time the divorce case is filed. So, ask yourself, have you or your spouse lived in the District of Columbia for at least the last 6 months before filing? If the answer is yes, please continue with this video series. If neither you nor your spouse live in D.C., please check out the requirements to file for divorce in the state where you or your spouse live. Second, you or your spouse must wish to be divorced. That is it. There is no longer a wait period in D.C. You can ask for a divorce at any time as long as one person meets requirement 1. Either party to a marriage may file, and the court may grant the divorce whenever either spouse decides they no longer wish to be married. Legal separation is different than divorce. Getting a legal separation means you have the right to live apart, with the same rights and obligations of being divorced, but without an actual divorce. Therefore, you are still married and cannot remarry. To file for legal separation, you or your spouse must have lived in D.C. for at least 6 months before filing. Again, there is no waiting period or time required to be separated before you file. If you want to learn more about legal separation, you can go to D.C. Court's website at the link in the video description. You can review and complete the Pro Se form to file for legal separation on your own by visiting the link in the video description. That's it for video 2 of this series. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn how to fill out the complaint for absolute divorce, please continue watching the 3rd video in this series, filling out the complaint for absolute divorce. If you want more information about other steps in the divorce process, check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel.